Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. In line notation used in MS Chauhan's organic chemistry problems, each is equal to symbol represents a carbon-carbon triple bond, an alkyne, drawn as a condensed line structure where two parallel lines indicate a triple bond. The convention used here treats the double line shorthand as representing a triple bond in the context of this problem set. Step 2. Count the units. There are two such triple bond units, is equal to and is equal to, placed adjacent to each other with no intervening carbons shown, indicating they are directly connected. Step 3. Determine the molecular structure. Two alkyne, triple bond units connected directly gives the structure HCC, CCH. Step 4. Name the compound. This is a 4-carbon chain, buta, with triple bonds at positions 1 and 3, 1,3 DNA, giving the IUPAC name buta 1,3 DNA. Step 5. Verify. Buta 1,3 DNA has the molecular formula C4H2 with two terminal triple bonds, which matches to connected triple bond line segments as shown. No other structural interpretation of two adjacent triple bonds on a minimal carbon framework yields a different compound. Therefore, the correct answer is buta 1,3 DNA. The correct answer is shown on screen.